Lime has a strong alkaline. At room temperature, can react with glassy activated silicon oxide or activated alumina to produce hydraulic products, produce cement. Lime is therefore an important raw material in the building materials industry. With the continuous development of cutting-edge new technology, lime powder ball press equipment is also steadily continuous innovation. For example, in the aspect of noise control of the equipment, the noise of the equipment produced today is much less than in the past. Power consumption is also greatly reduced, and the pellet rate of raw materials is also increasing, further reducing the probability of rework of raw materials. Lime powder ball press is mainly widely used in all kinds of related industries to press grinding ash, grinding wheel ash, particle steel, gas cutting slag. It can also be used to press iron sand, grinding mud, steel ball, and other materials. Items is also used in the energy chemical industry, power plant industry, transportation industry, and metallurgical industry.